Mastering the art of shoot the ball in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's common not just in everyday English but also in sports and various walks of life. Shoot the ball. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or simply keen on enriching your English vocabulary, understanding the nuances of this expression will certainly add a new dimension to your language skills. So, let's get started and explore the depths of this common yet dynamic phrase. Shoot the ball is a phrase that, on the surface, seems straightforward. It originates from the world of sports, particularly in games like basketball, soccer, and football, where a ball is physically propelled towards a goal or target. The word shoot in this context means to kick, throw, or hit the ball with the intent of scoring a point or goal. This action requires not just physical skill but also strategic thinking and precision. Interestingly, the phrase, shoot the ball, transcends its literal meaning and ventures into metaphorical territory. In everyday conversations, it can signify taking a chance or seizing an opportunity. For instance, when someone says, "It's time to shoot the ball," they're essentially encouraging action, to go ahead with a plan or to take a decisive step forward in a situation. This use of the phrase embodies the spirit of initiative and courage, urging individuals to act rather than hesitate. Shoot the ball also holds a place in cultural expressions and can be found in various forms of media, from movies and music to motivational speeches. Its popularity underscores a universally appreciated value, the importance of taking action. In English-speaking cultures, especially in contexts involving teamwork, leadership, or personal development, this phrase serves as a rallying cry to motivate and inspire. For English language learners, incorporating phrases like shoot the ball into your vocabulary can make your speech more natural and expressive. It's a shining example of how sports terminology can enrich language with vibrant expressions that convey action, decision, and boldness. When you use such phrases aptly, it not only enhances your linguistic fluency but also helps you connect more deeply with the cultural nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration of shoot the ball has illuminated its significance beyond just a sports command, revealing its role as a metaphor for action and decisiveness in broader English usage. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual layers that give phrases their color and vitality. So, go ahead, shoot the ball in your journey of English learning, and may you score many goals in mastering this beautiful language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.